due tomorrow. I need to make sure that he emails me back. Where's that other one? Is it here? I don't know how they expect me to get all this done. I feel like I've been here forever and haven't gotten anything accomplished. Come in.
Hey, Marianne. Wow, it looks like a bomb went off in here.
I feel like a bomb has gone off in here.
Looks like you might need to start getting a little bit more organized, or I have no idea how you're ever going to get any of this done.
Well, I'd love to be more organized, but I feel like I just don't have enough time to even think straight. I just have all of these, and now they're even out of order because I've been trying to find this one file.
Okay.
It's like there's just too much.
Okay. Well, maybe you want to consider doing like an organizational development, time management, some kind of class?
Well, that sounds really great, but I don't even have time to do that.
Well, you have to figure something out, Marianne, because this is not okay.
Well, we'll just have to think about coming up with something.
All right. I'll see you later.